So this is my third video, and this one we'll be talking about Julius, the baby of the world. And I apologize for the lighting. So Julius, baby of the world, is about Julius the baby and his older sister Lily. And Lily is not very happy with the fact that all the attention is now on her baby brother, and she just does not like that, and always is getting compared to him and just feels left out and wants more attention. So I noticed in this book that there's a lot of challenging vocab for young students. So I think that having a mini lesson on the vocab, specifically words like insulting, chimed, constantly, clever, doubtful, dazzling, and uncooperative. Those would be the main ones to focus on. And after reading the story to the class, I would have the class do the whole activity together, and I would find the sentence that has those words in the story and reread that sentence to them and see if they can figure out on their own what the definition or what it might mean using context clues for the pictures. And as a class in their notebooks, they would write the word, practice writing the word, and then practice also writing what they think it might mean, just a guess. And then they're going to check it in a dictionary to double check the meaning and write the actual meaning down and see how close they are to their guess. And then have them come up with another sentence, one that's not from the book. So their own sentence using the word. And then think of a time when someone or something might use that word. So like insulting. When has your student heard of the word insulting in their everyday life? And so then they would write down when they've heard that word or when they might hear that word. And so that's what they would do with vocab. Another thing I noticed in the story were similes. For example, as extraordinary as you, as clever as you. So you have that comparison of Julius and Lily, and you can talk about how similes compare to different things and how it's used in this book, and just find some more, or write down read up similes or examples of similes that they hear in class or ones that they can just make up. And so that would be a good literary focus in the classroom. And so they could do similes, and they can do vocab, and then they can also talk about Julius the character and Lily and how they are different and similar. So they could write that down in their notebook as well, and mainly talk about how Lily is very dramatic and exuberant, and how Julius is, just an innocent little baby. And so those would be the top 3 lessons that you could do with this story, and it's a great story. So yeah.